Okay, so here this question says f of theta is sine theta plus cos theta whole square plus sine theta minus cos theta whole raised to 4. And suppose the function f has local minimum at theta, right? We have to find out this. So let's start with f of theta here, which is given as sine theta plus cos theta whole square, that is s plus c whole square plus s minus c whole raised to 4. So if I simply expand this one, what are we going to get? This one is going to be sine square plus cos square plus 2 sine cos, right? And the next one that we are going to get, if I take only one of the square here, so that is going to be sine square plus cos square minus 2 sine cos whole square that we are going to get. So ultimately this is going to be 1 plus 2 sine cos. And if I take the square here, so that is going to give you 1 plus 4 sine square cos square minus 4 sine cos. Okay, so this is what we are going to get by simplification of this. So now here that one thing that you can directly see here, that will be 1 plus 1 equal to 2. And this 4 sine square cos square, this 4 sine square cos square can be simply written as a sine square of 2 theta minus, here we have 2 sine cos, and this is minus 4 sine cos, which is going to be minus 2 sine cos, which can be simply written as sine 2 theta. So ultimately we got f of theta is going to be equal to 2 plus sine square 2 theta minus sine 2 theta. So now let's convert this one into a perfect square, and from there we are going to do the interpretations. Okay, so we got our f of theta is equal to sine square 2 theta minus sine 2 theta plus 2. So when we convert this one into perfect square, so this can be simply written as sine 2 theta minus half whole square, right? Plus 1 by 4 that we are going to get. So we'll be writing minus 1 by 4 outside plus 2. So this one is automatically going to give you sine 2 theta minus half whole square plus 7 upon 4, right? So that is what the f of theta that we got here. But in the question, we are talking about the local minimum. So for local minimum, what we have to get? So for local minimum, simply f of theta is going to be minimum. So for that one, we simply have to get your sine 2 theta value is going to be 1 by 2, because as this is a square, this value will be always bigger than 7 by 4 only, unless this value is going to be 0. So that is what we are going to do here. Sine 2 theta should be equal to 1 by 2. So that means the values of 2 theta are going to come as pi by 6 and 5 pi by 6. How can we take only these two values here? So here in the question they have given theta is going to belong from 0 to pi. That is the domain of this question. So 2 theta is going to belong between 0 to 2 pi. So we are going to get two answers for 2 theta, that is pi by 6 and 5 pi by 6. That means theta is going to be equal to pi upon 12 and 5 pi upon 12. So now according to the question, we have to find out lambda 1 pi, lambda 2 pi, so on, so are the roots. So comparing with this one, so we are going to get lambda 1 equal to 1 by 12 and lambda 2 is going to come as 5 upon 12. And they're asking what is the value of lambda 1 plus lambda 2. So that is going to come as 1 upon 2 when you add this one. So answer for this question is going to be 1 by 2 or 0.5.